Tara, eating my snack, champurrado with hot coffee. Tara, let's eat. Ayan ang maraming gatas ng champurrado. Let's eat. Pure cocoa ang nilagay dito na mayroong evaporated milk. Okay guys, don't forget my page. Putahin ang ina nyo, Mommy Violeta Vlog. Good morning, bye!